Riu waki na ucori wa nyumba kaunti-ini ya NAIKURU ni uhuthite thutha wa thirikari ya kaunti ya NAIKURU rungu rwa gavana KIHIKA guthundura mutambo uria engineers na acori niyo architects mariamukagira rutha rwa waki wa nyumba kaunti-ini ino. Minister wa kigina kaunti-ini ino Irife Njogu agitariria
Gavana KIHIKA augire arenda investors a NAIKURU makorwo na iria twitaga ease of doing business na system eno ya MWAKO kurihira magoti ma migunda irateithia gutuma uhoro ucio wothe wikike na ihenya na nigetha mundu wothe urenda ku develop NAIKURU kuringi kugayania migunda mafroti ahote kuingira mitambo-ini.
Oho Njogu augite mutambo uyu ni ukuhukia ungumania kaimana kuona marihi matirikagwo na mbeca baribari na oho ndurabatara kumenya mundu niguo wamukire marua ma waki
arihe either na M-Pesa kana through bengi NAIKURU tutioya mbeca baribari. Ohoro wa andu kuhusikana na approval ya document ati no nginya umenya mundu nigetha uhutukirio mwako waku subdivision yaku mitambo ino irateithia kweheria corruption thiini wa approval systems.
Lawrence Opondo umwe wa maabitha aria mohigire mitambo ino agitariria uria irirutaga wira.
Who are willing to who are doing development work, they can be able to access approval documents from the platform wherever they are. There's a dashboard that lists all the services that now you can submit for. So depending on the type of the user that you have logged in, if you are logged in as an engineer, if you are logged in as an architect, you'll be able to see the different services that you can submit for from the platform. What we are providing is a platform that will make it easy for the experts in the county of Nakuru to be able to submit for approval documents, and we make the ease of doing business very good.
Gerifotera ceceni ya Kameme TV kuma kaunti-ini ya NAIKURU njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.